Steer King, premium no-ream kingpin repair kits for heavy-duty trucks. Steer King stands apart with the highest quality kits on the market, because when you're working with a precision assembly like a kingpin, high-quality parts matter. So we make our parts better with close tolerance machining, inspection of critical dimensions, and a proprietary manufacturing process. We make installation faster and easier with our kit box and tray, pre-packed bearings, bi-directional lip seals, grease grooves on all kingpins, and spare parts when you need them. Steer King, better engineering saves time and cost with every installation. Steel spiral kits, bronze kits, spare parts, installation tools. Steer King is an Atro brand. Our parts are backed by the industry's best warranty, and they're built with pride in St. Clair, Missouri. Visit our website or contact your dealer or service team to learn more.